What's up, YouTube? Big C, Chunky Boy Customs. Today, swapping out some headlights. Why, you ask? Because they suck. They're dingy, they're yellow, and they're old, and I want new ones. So today, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna swap out the headlights and the tail lights. Got a whole package deal off of eBay, and I will leave a link in the description for that in case you're interested. You might want it for yourself. Who knows? It could happen. It's possible. So let's get started. Real quick, I'm gonna show you what they look like, and we'll go from that to putting them on. So yeah, today we're gonna do the tail lights. Now the tail lights ain't that bad, but you know, I bought the whole package. I might as well just get the taillights too. If I'm gonna have new headlights, I want to match and have decent taillights to go with it. Here's the headlights. Damn! Yeah, they're pretty bad. So we're gonna change that and get rid of these god awful orange, amber corner lights or corner lenses. I don't think one of them is a light. I think the bottom is. The top ain't, but a dummy. So, yeah. So, here's one of the tail lights that I got. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a smoky, smoked out. Not so much a year. I didn't want that chrome see-through. I may or may not go back with some nightshade and tint these, but I kind of like the way that looks. It's pretty nice. Let me see how it looks on that white before I do anything else. And that's the tail lights. And here's one of the high beam and low beams housing. It's the whole headlight housing. Again, this is another smoked out, like black on the inside. It's got some chrome for the, I guess you have to have that for the lights to shine, but it's pretty nice. Got the adjusters, and they did come with new bulbs. So it's a whole set. You got the housings and you got the bulbs. So it's just a complete bolt in, plug up, ready to go. This is the turn signals. Again, that's your turn signals. Not too bad. This is really nice, good quality. It feels like, I mean, it's plastic, but it's eBay, and I like it. Here's your corner. Yeah. This is the corner lenses. This is the one with the light in it, your side marker light, turn signal. And this is the reflector, the dummy. I call it the dummy light. So first thing I'm going to be doing is you need to take out these turn signals, these lowers. Now, they'll come out with the grill, but I believe there's some screws behind here that we have to get, or bolts to get to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off first. It's just 4 Phillips. Now sometimes be careful, because your OBS might have Phillips, or some of them I believe are the Torx screw. I don't know what number they are, but they're Torx. Sometimes I've had that happen. These just happen to be Phillips. Maybe these were changed out after a while. I don't know, over the time. And just put some Phillips in there. Who knows? Other side too? Yeah, other side too. So I'm gonna take these out, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now here, what you're gonna want to do is you pull it out, and you have these bulbs back here, and you have a button. You just kind of press it, and then you can twist it out like so. Sometimes they're hard, sometimes they're not. There you go, see? And then voila, that's the old, nasty, full of clot. Ooh, yeah. Time for a change. So they're both out. Got both of the turn signals out. Got them up here. Nasty. So next, you're gonna want to take off the grill. Okay, so up here you have 4 on the top for sure. I think there's one in here. Yeah, one down in here. I don't know if you see that. One here and one right here on each side, I believe. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but it's in there. These are just placement tabs. So I'm gonna take those. These are 7 millimeters. These little bolts, 7 millimeter. So I'm gonna take those out now, and we're gonna remove the grill.
Two hours later.
Okay, FYI, never had this, but there's a screw right there, hidden behind the marker light. So I was having trouble getting off, and I didn't know why. I'm like, what the hell? So come to find out, there's one right here. So I had to reach in from behind and undo these little, they're called speed nuts, I think is what they're called. It goes little plastic nuts that go in the back. You undo those, there's 2 of them, and that comes out, and you get these exposed, these right here on the corner, and this will come out. Okay, so the grill is off. It's up there. Ta-da! So now these bad boys. This is so old and crusted. It's all coming apart. These are 4 bolts right here. Right, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this little thing comes out, as well as this one. 4 10 millimeter bolts. We're going to take those out. Ta-da! Now, it's the same on these as the bottoms. You just click these, twist them, and pull them out. But I'm not keeping these bulbs. These are no good anyway. The other ones came with brand new bulbs, so I'm just going to unclip them like that. Little tab, you pull back and you push down, and just like that, it comes right on out. See the water dripping out? Oh look, as you can see, the water is full of water. Yeah, definitely going in the trash. So we got the new ones now. We'll put back in. So we're going to clip the lights back in first. For mine, I don't know about yours, but the orange and black wire is your low beams, and your high beams is the green and black. Come on now. Jump on in there. There we go. Then we just place it up there where it's supposed to go. Nice. It worked. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and took these rest of these corner lights or markers off the grill. It's just two studs with these little speed nuts on the back, 1/2 inch socket takes them off. And just be careful, I mean it could be brittle and it might break off in there. Now I'm gonna replace the markers and the turns. Markers and the signal lights. Put the new ones back on. Oh yeah. Much better. I like it. Digging in corners and everything. Way better. Okay, so onto the tail lights. Got the truck backed up in here. For this, all you should need really is a Phillips head screwdriver, because you just have one Phillips right here, one right here, and this comes out. And then, well, you're about to see. That's broken. dirty. Wow. All right. Yeah, quarter bolt here, quarter bolt there. This whole thing comes out. See, you get your 3 lights. It's a whole circuit board. Wow, that is filthy. And you have this little gasket right here. I'm not sure if this one has one, but we'll find out. That's your old one. That's your new one. See, no gasket. Simply replace the gasket. Let's get a new one. This one's kind of old and flapped out, full of nastiness. Just take your time, make sure you get under nice and snug where it's supposed to go. This helps keep the moisture out and all the dust that you don't want getting in your tail light. There you go. Comes out. Let's get it back on. Like so. And put your bolts back. Put them too tight, like I said, because this is all plastic. This will crack, and you just have a bad day after that. Come back here and reconnect. Go to connectors. Oh yeah. Cool. What is really going on here? There we go. That's a tight fit. There we go. Much nicer. See? Much nicer. Before and after. Okay, got it all done. My phone actually was about to die, so I went ahead and finished doing the LEDs on the other side, the other doors. But I gotta say, she looks really good. With that being said, check it out. Nice. I like it. Check out them tail lights. Yeah. And like I said, I finished the interior, the doors, and the end of the dash. I will do the reading map lights and the dome light soon. I like that. And maybe I'll do these too. That'll probably be another video. But yeah, guys, this is it. Alright, that'll wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.